if you want to move data from or to USB flash drive on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, what you need to do is, first of all, after connecting the flash drive, we need to go to the My Files app that we have, for example, in the Samsung folder in the apps screen. And then after that, depending if we want to transfer data from or to the flash drive, but let's say first we want to transfer data from our USB flash drive, so we want to go to the USB storage, and we need to locate the file that we wish to transfer. So let's say I want to move a certain photo that I have here, and we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and press select. Now we can select files that we want to move from our flash drive, and once we select everything that we want to transfer, we can press move in the bottom left corner. Over here at the top, switch to internal storage, and then choose the location where we want to move the data to. So for example, I'm going to go to DCIM, camera, and I'm going to move here. And there we go, we have transferred the file. And now if we want to move file from our phone to USB flash drive, then in that case we need to go to internal storage, we need to locate our file. So also, for example, if you don't see all folders here, you might want to switch from Essentials over here to All. There we go. And now we can go to the folder, and let's say I want to move the photo again. And we do the same thing, so tap on these three dots in the top right corner, press select. Now we can select the file or files that we want to move, and press move. This time over here at the top we want to switch to USB storage, and we want to select the desired folder where we want to send it. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!